Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 24 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 新闻 news 银行 bank 酒店 hotel 鲜花 flower 糖果 candy 饼干 cookie Today we are going to learn 走开问答变态走开 z o 走 k i 开走开 means go away Go away, I don't want to see you again. 走开，我再也不想看到你了。走开。走。开。Go away, 走开。问答 Q&A 问答 means question and answer 问答问答问 means ask question答 answer 足字头和问答 question and answer next one 变态变态 means abnormal变态太心 heart 变态 abnormal 走开走开走开 go away 问答问答问答 question and answer 变态变态变态 abnormal Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.